This video is sponsored by Musu. And yes, again, we have another unboxing. This is the second shipment that I was waiting for. Can't wait to show you what's inside, or at least what I think's inside. So yes, we have another cordless vacuum. And this time, and I'm probably going to mispronounce this, I don't know if you say APOSEN or APOSEN, so I'm not too sure. Model H20-4, and it's in this box here. There's nothing really on the top, so there's only just pictures on the sides. All right, let's open it up and see what we get. Can I manage to open it up this direction? Here we go. And first thing out of the box is the manual, and it looks like there's a little dusting brush in there. So that's the first couple things we have. Alrighty. And this thing is very unusual looking to me. So here's the main unit. Let's see how I get this thing out of the package. From the top or from the bottom? Okay, so yeah, this is definitely unusual. So that's kind of cool looking though, isn't it? See any power? Ooh. Oh. So this one has 2 speeds. That's kind of unique. And we have a charger. There's that. And let's see, another replaceable filter. That probably goes in there somewhere. Ooh, some accessories. So we have like an upholstery tool. So I imagine that probably just fits on there like that. You can do that. And I think this is the last piece. This is a charging base. And, you know, I saw this product. I said, I got to take a look at this thing because, let's see if I get this right. It goes like this. So there. What do you think of that? So that's how you would actually charge it. It goes into the charging base right here. It's got some metal connections here and here, and that's actually what it does. So that is certainly unique. You can go and I guess you could put it on the floor, but I've seen some advertising where you have this on a table next to you, for example, and I'll probably have to, you know, set that up so it looks that particular way. Let's see, does this fit? Okay, so there's that accessory. And let me make sure, let's see, there's nothing else in the box. Did I miss anything? Oh, I knew I missed something. Because there's another accessory space right here. And here is a multi-function crevice tool. So, like that. And then, clicks into like this. You have the dusting brush. Those are medium stiff bristles. And you can put that in there, I suppose, like this. And then you would have everything kind of sitting there like that. Let's put that off to the side a bit. There, so just kind of take that in. That's really interesting. So let's see, how does this come apart? Put the base over to the side. So it looks like this untwists. Let's see, like, well, you want to empty it. So the front nozzle pops down, then you can empty it. See, does that? All right, that doesn't come out that way. This is supposed to untwist like this. Okay, great. So you have the body of the machine. You have this little filter right here. Everything else looks pretty standard. Here's where you would plug in the charger. Okay, that's great. I imagine, yes. So if you want to use the charging base, you're gonna plug it in there. And you can just, put it right there in the base. So you can certainly do that. Obviously you'd have, the rest of the pieces hooked up to that. So there's that. Now let's take a look at this. How do they want this to come out? So let's see, is it pull, push from the inside, outside? Does it wiggle? I haven't looked at the manual, so this is what you get for not looking at the manual. Let's see, is it, oh, you just push it. Okay, so you just push that out, and here's the filter. Okay, and that twists and then comes out. Okay. So that goes in there, twist, all right. And then this goes back in here. There's got to be an alignment here somewhere that I'm not, well, maybe it just comes out. Yeah, so it just kind of pushes down in there. Oh, no, there's an alignment. So it's a little tough to see. It's a little notch right here, goes in right here. Okay, thought I saw that, I just forgot it. So you do have to line that up. And then it just pushes down. That'll click in. And then, let's see, that's gonna hook on there somewhere. Probably like this, and then twist. And now that's actually locked. All right, so there is the unboxing. And it's got 2 speeds. So now what I'm going to have to do is charge this up, and then we'll run it through some tests. And here's the manual, and they show it standing in an upright position. Okay, stay tuned for more after we get this charged up.